Did you know? Every year, the United States produces millions of tons of vibrant yellow lemons, not only to meet domestic demand, but also to export them worldwide. However, behind these juicy lemons lies a fascinating and meticulous journey, from vast orchards to high-tech processing plants. It's no coincidence that these two states dominate America's lemon production. California, with its mild climate, is home to fragrant golden lemons, yielding over 900,000 tons annually. Meanwhile, Florida takes advantage of its tropical weather to produce an additional 400,000 tons of lemons with a distinct tangy flavor. This billion-dollar industry transforms lemons into more than just a fruit. It makes them a symbol of American agricultural excellence. Contrary to popular belief, growing lemons is not as simple as planting a tree and waiting for fruit to appear. Behind every lemon tree is an advanced cultivation system. Selective breeding ensures only the best lemon varieties are grown in modern nurseries, designed to develop quickly and produce high yields. It's not just about having good soil. The pH level must be precisely between 5.5 and 6.5 to maximize nutrient absorption. Drip irrigation systems deliver just the right amount of water to each tree, preventing waste while ensuring strong and healthy growth. If you think lemon trees grow fruit naturally without intervention, think again. To maintain consistent fruit production, farmers use high-powered pruning machines that can trim branches up to 10 inches in seconds. Lemon trees are also vulnerable to pests like aphids, red mites, and leaf spot fungi. Farmers control these threats using natural methods, such as neem oil, copper-based solutions, or beneficial insects like ladybugs. If chemical pesticides are needed, strict regulations ensure proper dosage and safety periods before harvest. In spring, lemon orchards burst into bloom with delicate white flowers, filling the air with a refreshing fragrance. Once pollinated, tiny lemons start forming, gradually growing and changing from green to bright yellow. Only lemons that meet strict size standards are selected for harvest. When they reach perfect ripeness, they are carefully hand-picked or cut using specialized shears to prevent skin damage and preserve their freshness. In the past, lemon harvesting relied mainly on manual labor. Today, cutting-edge technology has made the process much faster and more efficient. Specialized harvesting machines are gradually replacing human labor, increasing productivity, lowering costs, and allowing farmers to harvest at the ideal time to ensure top quality. Modern lemon harvesters use a controlled shaking mechanism to gently loosen ripe fruit. Powerful vibrating arms grip the trunk or branches, creating high-frequency pulses that cause mature lemons to drop naturally without harming the tree. Once fallen, the lemons land on a mobile conveyor belt system placed underneath. This belt efficiently collects the fruit into large storage bins at the back of the machine, minimizing damage and ensuring each lemon remains intact. After being harvested from vast orchards, fresh lemons go through a strict selection and packaging process before reaching consumers. Each lemon must meet precise standards for size, color, freshness, flavor, and shelf life. Lemons move along an automated conveyor system, passing through size filters that sort them into uniform groups. Larger lemons are prioritized for export and high-end retail, while smaller ones are processed into food products or bottled lemon juice. Commercial-grade lemons have smooth, evenly colored skin, free from cracks or blemishes. Those that don't meet these standards are repurposed for other uses. Bottled lemon juice has become a household favorite due to its refreshing tang and health benefits. To maintain high quality, preserve vitamin C, and retain natural aroma, the production process follows strict guidelines. Lemon powder is another modern innovation, capturing the full essence and nutrients of fresh lemons in a convenient powdered form. But how are juicy lemons transformed into fine powder? First, lemon slices are carefully dried using advanced cold drying technology, preserving their color, aroma, and nutrients. Once dried, the crispy lemon slices are ground into ultra-fine particles using high-speed industrial grinders, maintaining the fruit's original flavor and properties. From expansive orchards to state-of-the-art processing plants, every American lemon undergoes a remarkable journey before making its way into your favorite dishes and beverages. Have you ever wondered where the lemon in your drink came from? If not, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to continue exploring more fascinating stories about the world of agriculture.